Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Rose Sohal and you are watching Arkan Times Daily English News. Today is Wednesday, 5th June 2024. Today's news headlines: Terrorism group AA intercepted photographing in Yekechon Kwasung in Mongdo Township. The evacuated Rohingyas are being treated inhumanly by terrorism group AA. Rohingyas are facing severe food shortage and healthcare problems. Details of today's news. The Rohingyas residing of Yekechon Kwasung Rohingya village were forcibly aggregated at the village by terrorism group AA on the last 2nd June 2024. The villagers were aggregated at a place and asked for the demographics, and all the villagers were photographed by terrorism group AA. Terrorism group AA intercepted family by family, and the censuses of Rohingya families were intercepted too. The Rohingya families were photographed, and their census were collected and interrogated by terrorism group AA on the last 2nd June 2024 in Yekechon Kwasung in northern Mondo Township, Arkan State, Myanmar. A source said that terrorism group AA intimidated the Rohingya villagers when the villagers tried to refuse being photographed by terrorism group AA, and also intimidated that if you will not be photographed, you will be abducted by terrorism group AA. The discrimination is continuing by terrorism group AA on Rohingyas. Rohingyas are intimidated with false allegations by terrorism group AA. Rohingyas are being abducted with baseless accusation by terrorism group AA. Rohingyas residing of Butidong downtown, Kepyodong, Tamingchong, and Mongnibil Rohingya villages and other villages whose villages were abandoned to ashes and sheltered in Sinimpia and Yongchong villages are being treated inhumanly by terrorism group AA in Butidong Township, Arkan State, Myanmar. The internal forcibly displaced IDP Rohingyas have been inhumanly treated by terrorism group AA in Sinimpia and Yongchong villages in southern Butidong Township, Arkan State, Myanmar. It is known that the mobile phones, golds, jewelries, and money are being robbed from the IDPs by terrorism group AA, and many Rohingya youths are being abducted with false allegations by terrorism group AA too. More than 4 bags of mobile phones have been snatched, and uncountable golds and money have been robbed by terrorist group AA from the evacuated Rohingyas in Sinimpia and Yongchong villages in southern Butidong Township. More than 20 evacuated Rohingya youths have been abducted with false allegations of having connections with Burmese genocidal military BGM, and many more youths are being searched to abduct by terrorism group AA. Approximately 1,000 Rohingyas have been taken in Tamila in the Terong Township, Arkan State, Myanmar, by terrorism group AA, and they are animalistically treated, and some of them have been forced to boat to Malaysia through sea journey by terrorism group AA. A source said that mobile phones are mostly targeted by terrorism group AA, and it is because many people have connections with the Rohingya people in abroad, and the evacuated people can explain their sufferings and brutalities of terrorism group AA, and they do highlight them in international level. He recounted that it is announced by terrorism group AA that if any Muslims use mobile phones, he or she will be treated inhumanly. The situation of Butidong Township is escalating more and more after terrorism group AA confiscated the entire town from Burmese genocidal military BGM, and especially the Rohingyas are in dire situation, and they are being treated inhumanly by terrorism group AA with false allegations. In Arkan State's Butidong Township, the Rohingya are facing severe food shortage in the villages where they sought refuge after May 17 fire attack by the terrorism group AA. Hundreds of families are temporarily sheltered in surrounding villages, forests, areas, streets, including farmland, and are struggling to manage daily necessities such as clean water, rice, and other essential commodities, including clothes. This is a very dire situation we have been enduring day and night since May 17, told local Rohingya community teachers, who requested to remain anonymous due to the security concern. It is reported that thousands of Rohingya families have sought refuge in Mingizi, Pongdoping, Kinisi, Chindong, Tamingchong, Chindong, Mongnibil, Serakuni, and many other surrounding villages, including wards 1, 2, and 3. These Rohingya families are completely stranded and facing severe food shortages. We are experiencing extreme food shortages and healthcare problems. There is no food, medicines, and clean water. We urgently need support from international donors, humanitarian organizations, government bodies, and international agencies to save our lives in this horrific situation. Many elderly Rohingya people in Shillong, including pregnant women, are in critical health condition due to the lack of medical assistance and proper healthcare facilities in the villages, where they sought refuge, said Mr. Muhammad Ayub, a high school teacher. It is extremely challenging for us to survive as the terrorism group AA and the military council have blocked all the roads, preventing us from accessing basic necessities. I can't imagine we could survive longer if the situation is ongoing, said a local resident. As a result, the Rohingyas who have sought refuge in the surrounding villages urgently need emergency assistance to avoid a worsening food shortage, according to some Rohingya villagers adding refugees fleeing the conflict. Currently, there is an urgent need for food, medicines, and clean water. All world leaders must pay attention to the plight of these forcibly displaced Rohingya. Ask the local Rohingya communities, we have nothing left because we are forced to leave our villages and flee due to the terrorism group AA firing heavy weapons and firing our houses on May 17. In Mongdo Township, the military council army continues to fire heavy weapons at Rohingya villages where the terrorism group A is present. The terrorism group A is also firing back from within these villages. On May 27th, the terrorism group A bombed near the Rohingya village of Pindaping, prompting Malay Burmese genocidal military troops to frequently enter the village to check for terrorism group A's affiliation. The local Rohingya are very worried and concerned about this awful situation where there is no safety and security, said a local resident. Rohingya people are being tortured, abducted, arbitrarily arrested, and forcibly displaced by the terrorism group A. Those who are under terrorism group A control areas, the terrorism group A is leaving them without food or shelter. This is a crucial moment for the world East community to act swiftly and decisively, said a local Rohingya. The forcibly displaced Rohingya urgently need emergency assistance from global donors and charities to survive. They are facing hunger and lack of food, medicine, clean water, and internet access. The international community's immediate attention is crucial to alleviate our suffering lives. It is very important to urgently take necessary steps to deliver humanitarian aid to save lives of the Rohingya civilians in Buttirong, said local Rohingya community. Thanks for watching Arkan Times Daily English News.